Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of the Shopify. In the last video, we have created the Shopify partner accounts. Now we are going to create a stores over here. Okay, so let's get started. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's see how we are going to create a store. So here you can see that they have a development store also. So we will go with here, stores. Okay, create a development store, right? And here create a store for the client. Okay, so here you can mention your store name, like you can mention like the testing. Okay, no, I think here we have to make a store name unique. So I will add twice Rajnikant, something like this. It is available. Okay, India. Where we would like to sell the clients, we will use to help the store setup for the client selling in the person online. Is your client currently selling another platform? No. Okay, so let's create a development store. So it will create a development store over here. Okay, so the development store is done. Okay, now you can see that we have the everything is here. You can see you can have the orders, you have the products, you have the customers now. So development store is done right now. Okay, so this is how development store is done. Now the next step is how to assess the orders of that one, how to assess the products, how to assess the customers and everything. So this we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.